shark.
That's not a real animal.
Apparently Ikea is also an acid trip. I don't know what these things are, but they're covered in polka dots.
Why do you need whale sharks?
Because that's my nature.
This is retarded.
Don't have to.
But my parents will never accept me unless I'm a vegetarian.
If you love you, they'll accept you no matter what.
Yeah.
What the hell is going on?
It's okay to be gay, kids.
What does that have to do with anything?
My puppet show. It's a big part.
What the hell is that? That's horrifying.
Okay, I need this. Oh my god, it's so soft.
Is that the message of everything now? It's okay to be gay. What the hell? Oh, look, beavers. Speaking of there's lots of beavers hanging from the ceiling.
Oh, look, a beaver. Hey, they have plastic hangers.
Ooh, hair. I actually need some of those. What the hell is that? That's not a turtle.
No.
Oh dear.
Oh.
The crab. Mike has crabs.
Really?
Gary.
It's a beaver.
Look like teeth. No.
You don't have a choice. I'm giving them to you.
Mike's giving Carrie crabs.
Backpack. Alligator with a backpack. Possibly a crocodile.
We should base a children's TV show on that.
Backpack.
Are you gonna write the theme song?
Do you know why my father left me?
Backpack gator. Backpack gator. Okay, what the hell is that? Okay. I do believe that's a pill bug.
Wow. Wait, hang on, hold the camera. It is video streaming, by the way. Oh god! It's horrible! The massacre! The massacre!
Okay, what happened to this panda?
Oh no!
Hey guys. Alright.
Wait, there's something wrong with the panda, Mariah!
It's like a panda has babies with dogs.
That's not natural. But seriously,
I think
what?
it's a wallaby.
What? That's okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I know that was really scary. But, oh my god.
This is gonna be the weirdest video ever.
I'm minding my own business.
What?
I'm a dog. There's a backpack.
Oh my god.
It's just carrying its
It's a cannibalistic alligator. I don't care what you say, it's cannibal.
Okay, so I just need to point out that this pile looks like a dog orgy.
It is a dog orgy. It's a guinea pig. Where do you get a stuffed guinea pig but Ikea?
What's wrong with its face?
I don't know.
You know what's wrong with its face?
Ooh, mice
guinea
and
pig.
rats and... Hedgehog!
They really like alligators and crocodiles.
Why is your rat humping my hedgehog? That's not natural! Wow. Alligators aren't striped. That's not natural.
I miss them.
However, camels are polka dotted.
Ooh, polka dot and camel.
Why is it so fat?
Because you touch yourself at night.
Hippo.
Pink hippo.
And in the true nature of the hippo.
Seizure?
Hippos are mean.
Seizure hippo.
Seizure?
Seizure hippo.
Oh, look, it's another hippo.